Welcome to SCON Design India Private Limited 3D Building Scanning in Arizona, USA. In recent years, 3D building scanning has become a popular and essential tool in the field of architecture and construction. One of the leading locations for this technology is Arizona, USA. The use of 3D building scanning in Arizona has transformed the way buildings are designed, analyzed, and renovated. This cutting-edge technology allows architects and engineers to create detailed and accurate models of existing structures, providing them with valuable information that can be used in various stages of the construction process. The SCON design in Bangalore is at the forefront of 3D building scanning technology. With their state-of-the-art equipment and highly skilled team, they offer comprehensive scanning services company that cater to the needs of architects, engineers, and construction professionals. The company's expertise lies in capturing detailed measurements and creating precise 3D models of buildings, enabling clients to visualize their projects with utmost accuracy. When it comes to 3D building scanning in Arizona, USA, there are numerous benefits that this technology offers. Firstly, it allows for a more efficient and cost-effective design process. By scanning existing buildings, designers can easily incorporate the accurate dimensions into their plans, reducing the need for expensive and time-consuming manual measurements. This not only saves money but also ensures that the final design is accurate and fits seamlessly into the existing structure. Additionally, 3D building scanning provides valuable insights into the structural integrity of a building. By scanning the entire structure, engineers can identify any potential issues or weaknesses that may impact its safety or stability. This information is crucial during renovations or when considering modifications to the building. It allows for informed decision-making and ensures that any necessary structural changes are made to guarantee the longevity and safety of the building. Moreover, 3D building scanning is also useful in documenting historical structures. In Arizona, which is rich in architectural heritage, this technology has been instrumental in preserving important landmarks. By creating detailed 3D models of these buildings, historians and preservationists can accurately record their current state and monitor any changes over time. This helps in maintaining the authenticity of historical sites and aids in their restoration and conservation efforts. In conclusion, 3D building scanning has revolutionized the architectural and construction industry in Arizona, USA. With its accuracy, efficiency, and ability to provide valuable insights, this technology has become an indispensable tool for professionals in this field. The SCON design in Bangalore plays a significant role in advancing this technology and offering comprehensive scanning services company to meet the diverse needs of its clients. As buildings continue to evolve and become more complex, 3D building scanning will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping the future of architecture and construction. The use of 3D building scanning has increased in prominence and importance in the building industry in recent years. Arizona, USA, is one of the world's foremost centers for this technology. In Arizona, 3D building scanning has revolutionized the design, analysis, and renovation of structures. To better educate the various steps of the building process, architects and engineers are now able to use state-of-the-art technology to generate detailed and realistic models of existing structures. When it comes to scanning buildings in 3 dimensions, nobody does it better than the SCON design in Bangalore. Thanks to their cutting-edge technology and expert staff, they provide complete scanning services company tailored to the requirements of AEC industry specialists. The company is highly skilled at taking exact measurements and modeling them in 3D for clients to use in visualizing their projects. There are a great deal of advantages to using 3D building scanning in Arizona, USA. For starters, it facilitates a quicker and cheaper design cycle. Designers can save time and money on labor-intensive manual measurements by scanning already existing structures and incorporating the precise dimensions into their plans. This helps keep costs down and guarantees that the final design will be precise and will blend in with the existing building. In addition, the structural integrity of a structure can be assessed with the help of 3D building scanning. Engineers can assess the structure's integrity and detect any vulnerabilities by conducting a comprehensive scan. Having this data on hand is vital when planning restorations or alterations to the structure. As a result, any essential structural improvements can be made to ensure the building's durability and safety, and educated decisions can be made. In addition, 3D building scanning can be used to accurately record historic buildings. This method has been crucial in the preservation of historic buildings in Arizona, a state with a rich architectural history. Historians and preservationists can record the buildings in their current state and track any changes over time with the help of comprehensive 3D models. This is useful for preserving ancient sites and restoring them to their original condition. Finally, the architectural and construction industries in Arizona, USA, have been completely transformed by the advent of 3D building scanning. This technology has quickly become essential for experts in this industry due to its precision, efficiency, and capacity to yield insightful results. In Bangalore, the SCON design has been instrumental in developing this technology and providing extensive scanning services company to fulfill the needs of a wide range of customers. There is no doubt that 3D building scanning will play a crucial role in the future of architecture and construction as buildings continue to change and become more sophisticated. In recent years, 3D building scanning has become increasingly popular and crucial in the construction sector. One of the world's leading hubs for this technology can be found in Arizona, USA. Scanning buildings in 3 dimensions has changed the architectural landscape in Arizona in terms of both new construction and renovation. Architects and engineers may now employ cutting-edge technology to create accurate and realistic models of existing structures, which they can then use to better educate the various parts of the building process. The SCON design in Bangalore is the best in the business at 3D building scanning. They offer comprehensive scanning services company adapted to the needs of professionals in the AEC industry, thanks to their state-of-the-art equipment and knowledgeable team. The company is expert at capturing precise dimensions and modeling them in 3D for the purpose of client project visualization. In Arizona, USA, 3D building scanning offers numerous benefits. To begin with, it allows for a shorter and cheaper design cycle. Scanning existing structures and adding their accurate dimensions into designs helps designers save time and money by eliminating the need for time-consuming physical measurements. This ensures that the final design is spot on and complements the structure while keeping expenses down. In addition, 3D building scanning can be used to evaluate a building's stability. By scanning the entire building, engineers can determine its security and identify any potential weak points. Having this information at hand is crucial for making repairs or adjustments to the building. This allows for well-informed decision-making and the implementation of any necessary structural upgrades to the structure to ensure its long-term stability and safety. In addition, historic structures can be meticulously documented via 3D building scanning. Arizona has a rich architectural heritage, and this technique has been crucial in preserving the state's ancient buildings. With the use of detailed 3D models, historians and preservationists can document the buildings in their current state and monitor any changes over time. This helps with archiving and restoring historic sites to their original state. The arrival of 3D building scanning has revolutionized the architectural and construction sectors in Arizona, USA. Due to its accuracy, efficiency, and ability to produce insightful results, this technology has fast become vital for professionals in this field. To meet the needs of their diverse clientele, the SCON design in Bangalore has been instrumental in creating this technology and offering comprehensive scanning services. As buildings evolve and become more complex, 3D building scanning will unquestionably become an increasingly important tool for architects and builders. Thanks for watching. SCON Design www.scondesign.in 919,441,988,317